Hi, today I want to show you how you can add iOS app links inside of your WeWeb mobile application, allowing you to synchronize your web application with your mobile application. It's a great experience. Let's say someone, as you can see right here on my screen, is going to your web application, but they already have the mobile application installed. They can just simply click on this banner that will automatically appear and open this specific page in your native WeWeb built mobile application using Despia. Now, this is pretty cool, but it gets even cooler. Let's say someone shares a link to your web application. As you can see, I have a WeWeb link right inside of here, and they click on that link and it goes to a specific page. As you can see, the current page open on our mobile application is the home page, and this is the link to the web application. Now, if I just click on the web application, it will open the specific page in the native mobile application on the web application link that was, set up on that specific link. So you can synchronize your WeWeb web application with your Despia mobile application. And it's super simple to set this up. And I want to show you today how you can get that set up. It's super simple. So first of all, of course, you want to have a WeWeb project set up with ideally more than 2 pages so we can test this. And you want to have a Despia project set up that is linked with your WeWeb project URL. And you want to go to add-ons and you want to scroll down and you want to make sure that you have web app synchronization enabled. So you would just enable that. I already have it enabled, so I'm all good. Perfect. And now if you don't have it enabled yet, you want to make sure that you republish your application so that you can get it on your phone, iOS or Android, and test it over there. Keep in mind that today we're just focusing on iOS, and we'll make a separate video about Android. It's pretty much the same process. It's just a little bit different because you will definitely not be working with the App Store in order to set this up, right? So we're all fine on that. I already had it set up. So I can now just go to WeWeb and start setting those things up. So what we need to do is we need to add a specific asset file to our WeWeb application. So I'm just going to click on assets here. I'm going to go to files, and we need to add an associated domains file. So as you can see in our documentation, we have the Apple site association file. This is the file that we will need to add, and that is a JSON file that will just be added to your application. So there are just 2 things that you need. You need your team ID. You can go to Despia, and if you go on Publish App, you will see your team ID inside of here under Development Team. Now you want to make sure that you have your Despia account connected to your developer account, and then you will see this appropriate app-related team inside of here. And then the next thing will be your bundle ID. The bundle ID you will find all the way up here under App Bundle ID. There you go. So you have the App Bundle ID right here. Perfect. It's in the one-click deployment publishing panel. So you would just go and turn this into a JSON file, give it any name you want, preferably Apple Site Association.json, right? And you will fill in those blanks here, and then you're good. Your text file should look something like this. There you go. I have it here as a JSON file. It should look something like this. And then we're just going to go to WeWeb, and we will upload this file. So I will add new file. And now I will just upload this file that I have created here. There you go. And now I have the file. Now we need to adjust the path. So let's click on Set Path, because it needs to have a specific path that you will get from our documentation. So let's copy this file for the AASA, Apple App Site Association file. We will go back to WeWeb and paste the path right inside of here and save. Beautiful. Now we're closing that. We're going to deploy the application. We're publishing this to the production application, and now it will take a little bit. WeWeb is installing all the dependencies and setting that up, and that's everything we need to do. Now, if you already have the application on your phone, keep in mind that it can take up to 1 hour for this change to take effect, because Apple has to scrape that file and register that in their system, so give it an hour. If within 1 hour you do not see that feature popping up yet, make sure to deinstall the application and install it again using TestFlight, so Apple gets a chance to fetch it, from the fresh version of your application. But this is how simple you do that. We just did it in 5 minutes. It's super simple and pretty cool. Now, the next time someone sends a specific link to one of your app's users in WhatsApp, iMessage, whatever, they click on that link. It will not open the web application. It will open that specific page with query parameters, with dynamic paths, to CMS collections if you want, inside of your native mobile application built using WeWeb and Despia. So this really extends the functionalities in how we combine the web ecosystem with the native mobile ecosystem, and you can build both now in WeWeb thanks to Despia. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that, and I can't wait to see all the exciting deep linking features that you're going to implement. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.